Welcome to a world where craft means home and where your home becomes more than just a place. It becomes reflection of warmth, light and love. Today we are exploring some beautiful home decor designs that radiate positive vibes, blending golden elegance, red fireplace, become magic and charming ornaments to create spaces that inspire peace and joy. In this journey, we will discover how every color, object, and handmade touch can transform your living space and even your mood. So take a deep breath and let's step into a glow of beauty, mindfulness, and creativity. Home decor is more than design, it's emotional energy. When you decorate your intention with intention, you invite balance, positivity, and inspiration into your life. Every color you choose, every item you place, it all tells a story. Gold brings prosperity and warmth. Red adds passion and festive spirit. Together, they form a combination that uplifts your home and energizes your heart. Whether you are decorating a cozy apartment or a large living room, the key is to create a space that feels alive, feels like you, and welcome every soul with light. The golden glow, elegant theme decor. Gold is timeless, a symbol of light, luxury, and grace. A gold theme doesn't mean too much sparkle, it means soft highlights, gentle reflection, and a feeling of warmth. Here's a few golden decor ideas for a classy, radiant. Gold mirrors and frames. Hang a gold mirror. Have a gold rimmed mirror on your wall or a vintage gold frame with your favorite art. It adds depth, reflection, and beauty. Gold candle holder. Add golden candle holder on your center table or a side shelf. When lit, they create a soft magical glow in the evening. Use gold touches in cushions, trays, vases, or certain rings. Little details that makes a big difference. Handmade ornaments. Create gold painted pine cones, small stars, or floral rings. These ornaments can decorate your fireplace, wreath, or festive tree. The golden hue connects with you with abundance and positivity, turning ordinary corners into artful moment. Now let's move to the heart of the house, the fireplace. A red themed fireplace doesn't just look cozy, it symbolizes energy, comfort, and love. Here are some warm ideas to your fireplace decor: red garland and ornaments. Candle arrangement, handmade wreath above fireplace, cozy texture. Add a red through blanket or cushions nearby. Make your home seating area feel warm and welcoming. The red fireplace becomes your room's heartbeat, glowing, comforting, and full of positive warmth. Handmade wreath above fireplace. Add a rustic jute wreath or a floral ring above it, decorated with red ribbons, gold ornaments, golden bells, and pine leaves. Add some stocking. Candle arrangement. Place red or golden candles or different sizes on your mantel for a glowing romantic touch. Had a garland made of red berries, ribbons, or fabrics, roses. Add fairy lights for that festive sparkle. Thank you for joining me and thank you for being a part of this journey. Gold symbolizes prosperity, light, and divine energy. Red represents love, warmth, and vitality. Together, they bring out powerful balance, energy, and calm, patience, and peace, and also passion. Use them not just in color but in mood. Golden light for serenity, red warmth for heart connection. This harmony turns your home into a sanctuary of beauty and joy. As you decorate, remember every candle you light, every ornament you place, and every color you choose carries emotion and intention. Thank you for joining this creative journey. May your home always glow with gold, warmth, and endless positive vibes. Keep crafting, keep shining, and let beauty surround your life every single day. Because a truly beautiful home isn't made by design, it's made by heart. Let your decor tell a story of gratitude, creativity, and love. Every color you choose carries emotions and intentions. As you decorate, remember every candle you light, every ornament you place, and every color you choose carries emotion and intention. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and prosperity. Take care of yourself and your family members. We definitely try to bring the amazing and beautiful design